morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS course book. Open your EVS course book, page number 41. All of you open your EVS course book, page number 41. In the previous class, we learned about our country. Learn about our country and also about the world. How many continents are there? 7 continents. In the previous class, we learned about our country and about the continents. Okay, now there are about 740 crore people living in about 200 countries in the 6 continents. Amma, 6, actually 7 continents are there. Totally we have 7 continents, but one continent is frozen. What is the continent? Antarctica. Antarctica is a frozen continent. It was totally frozen. Nobody live on this continent. Nobody live on this continent. That's what we will count only 6 continents. అర్థమవుతుందా ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ 6 కాంటినెంట్స్ అన్నాడు 7th కాంటినెంట్ ఇస్ టోటలీ ఫ్రోజన్ మొత్తం ఐస్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ ఫ్రోజన్ మొత్తం అక్కడ విపరీతమైన చలి ఉంటుంది నియర్లీ -90 degrees ఉంటుంది అక్కడ అంత చలిలో ఎవరు బ్రతకలేరు కదా దట్స్ వాట్ దిస్ అంటార్కిటికా కాంటినెంట్ ఇస్ టోటలీ ఫ్రోజన్ okay so nobody can't live in that continent remaining 6 continents in the 6 continents 200 countries are there 200 countries are there in 6 continents here continents are given Asia Europe Africa North America South America Australia in these continents in the Antarctica is here it is totally frozen మొత్తం ఐస్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ ఐస్బర్గ్స్ nobody can't live in these 6 continents total 200 countries are there 200 countries are there in these 6 continents and 740 crore people. How many people are living? 740 crore people are living among these 6 continents. And also every country has its own capital and currency. Let us know about some of the important countries located in different continents. Every country, here Telangana is there. Telangana, we have one of the capital. What is our Telangana capital? Hyderabad. What is our major language? Telugu. Okay, like that every country is having own capital and own currencies there. They will calculate their money with one currency. మన ఇండియాలో రూపీ అంటాం కదా అలా డిఫరెంట్ కంట్రీస్కి డిఫరెంట్ రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి లెట్స్ లర్న్ దెమ్ ఫస్ట్ కంట్రీ క్యాపిటల్ మేజర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కరెన్సీ అండ్ continent. First country name is given, next their capital is given, country capital city is given, next major language, their major language is given and the money is used in the country. The money which is used in that country is given. Next where it was located, in which continent it is located also given. Okay, let's say along with me. China, Beijing. China's capital is Beijing and major language is Mandarin Chinese. Their language. Mandarin Chinese is the major language of China, and currency is renminbi. What's the currency? Renminbi, and it is located in Asia continent. Next, Japan, Tokyo. Japan's capital is Tokyo, and major language is Japanese, and currency is Yen. Yen is the currency of Japan, and it is also located in Asia. Next, South Korea. South Korea capital is Seoul, and the major language is Korean. Major language is Korean, and the currency is won. Currency is won. It is also located in Asia. Next, Indonesia capital is Jakarta, and major language is Bahasa Indonesian. Bahasa Indonesian, and currency is rupiah. Currency is rupiah. It is also located in Asia continent. Next, Thailand capital is Bangkok, and the major language is Thai. Currency is baht. Currency is baht. It is also located in Asia continent. Next, Iran. Iran's capital is Tehran. Iran's capital is Tehran. Language is Persian. Major language is Persian, and currency is Iranian Rial. Iranian Rial. They are the currency of Iran, and it is also located in Asia continent. Next, Singapore. Singapore capital is Singapore, and major language is Mandarin Chinese, and currency is Singapore dollar. Currency is Singapore dollar. It is also located in Asia. Next, Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka, and major language is Bengali, and currency is Taka. Currency is Taka. It is also located in Asia continent. Next, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's capital is Colombo. Capital is Colombo, and major language is Sinhalese. Major language is Sinhalese, and currency is Sri Lanka rupee. Sri Lankan rupee, and it is also located in Asia continent. Next, Australia. Australia's capital is Canberra. Australia's capital is Canberra. Major language is English, and currency is Australian dollar. Currency is Australian dollar, and it is located in Australia continent. Only one country in the Australia. Next, USA. USA capital is Washington DC, and major language is English, and currency is American dollar, and it is located in North America. And Canada's capital is Ottawa, and major language is English, and currency is Canadian dollar. Currency is Canadian dollar, and it is also located in North America. Next, Germany. Germany's capital is Berlin, and major language is German. Currency is Euro. German's currency is Euro. It is located in Europe continent. Okay, Germany is located in Europe continent. Next, United Kingdom, UK. United Kingdom capital is London, and major language is English, and currency is pound. Its currency is called a pound and it is also located in Europe continent. Next, France. France capital is Paris and major language is French. Currency is Euro and it is also located in Europe continent. Next, Italy. Italy's capital is Rome. Major language is Italian and currency is Euro. It is also located in Europe continent. Next, Egypt. Egypt capital is Cairo. Egypt capital is Cairo and major language is Arabic. Okay, it is a Muslim continent. Egypt capital is Cairo and major language is Arabic and currency is Egyptian pound. Egyptian pound. It is located in Africa continent. And next one is Nigeria. Nigeria capital is Abuja. Nigeria capital is Abuja and major language is Hausa. Major language is Hausa and currency is Naira. Currency is Naira and it is also located in African continent. Next, Brazil. Brazil capital is Brasilia. Brazil capital is Brasilia and major language is Portuguese. Major language is Portuguese and currency is Brazilian real. Brazilian real and continent it was located in South America continent. Next, Argentina. Argentina's capital is Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is a capital and Spanish. Spanish is a major language and Argentina peso. Argentina peso is the currency and it is also located in South America continent. Next, Russia. Russia's capital is Moscow. Moscow. Moscow is the capital and major language is Russian and currency is ruble. It is also located in Asia and Europe continent. Russia is located in Asia and Europe continent. Okay. Now, Russia is the largest continent and Vatican is the smallest. Russia is the largest country in the world. Russia is the largest country in the world and Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. China is the most populous country. We know that China is the most populous country and India is the second most populous country. Even though English is the most popular language, modern Chinese is the most widely spoken language in the world. English is a popular language. English is a popular language in the world and Mandarin Chinese is the famous and most of the people in the world spoke this language. Mandarin Chinese is the world spoken language. అంటే చాలా మంది ఎక్కువగా ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటే ఎక్కువ మాండరిన్ చైనీస్ అనే లాంగ్వేజ్ ని మాట్లాడతారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ about the oceans. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. Here oceans are given. The water body is covered 3/4 of the at the surface. They are of different sizes and shapes. Oceans. Ocean is the largest body of salt water that surrounds a continent. There are 5 oceans. These are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Southern are Antarctica and Arctic Ocean. There are 5 oceans. Ocean water is salty. Ocean water is salty. Already I explained you our earth our earth surface is covered with the water most. 3/4 of earth surface is covered with the water. Means water bodies are more than the landforms and the earth. ఎర్త్ పైన వాటర్ బాడీస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. 3 parts వాటర్ ఉంటే 1 part ల్యాండ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, ఆల్ ద వాటర్ బాడీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్ సేమ్ సైజ్. ఆల్ ద ఓషన్స్, ఆల్ ద సీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్ సేమ్ సైజ్. అన్ని ఒకే సేమ్ సైజ్లో ఉండవు. దే ఆర్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ సైజ్, షేప్. ఇజంట్ ఇట్? అన్ని ఓషన్స్ అన్నీ ఒకటే హైట్లో, ఒకటే వెయిట్లో, ఒకటే డెప్త్లో ఉండవు. డిఫరెంట్ షేప్స్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ సైజ్లో ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ డెప్త్లో ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, హౌ మెనీ ఓషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 5 oceans. Now I am going to explain about the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean covering 1/3 of Earth's surface. Understand me? Amma, 3/4 water is there. Means here it is Earth nana. On the Earth 1 part land is there. చెప్పాను కదా 1 part land అని చెప్పాను కదా. 3 parts ఏముంది? వాటర్ ఉంది. ఆ 3 partsలో 1 part మొత్తం Pacific Ocean ఉంది. Pacific Ocean covered ocean covered 1/3 of water surface. Means it is covered nearly half part. What is the landforms on the earth? Pacific Ocean is half part. Pacific Ocean is sagam ఉంటుంది. Pacific Ocean water అందులో మనకున్న అంటే ఎత్తుపైన ఉన్న వాటర్లో సగం కంటే మీన్స్ నియర్లీ 40%. 100% water is there on the earth surface. In it 40% of water is in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, that's what it is, the largest ocean. Always the ocean water is salty. Ocean water is salty. It separates Pacific Ocean. Here is the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean separates the North America and South America into 2 parts, and it separates Asia and also the Australia. Here is the Pacific Ocean. Here, it is a map. మనకి కనబడుతుంది మ్యాప్. లోపు చూస్తామని మనకి క్లియర్గా తెలుస్తుంది ఇలా ఉంటుంది రౌండ్. ఓకే, ఇది Pacific Ocean మీద కవర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. Pacific Ocean divides North America and South America into 2 parts, and Australia and Asia into 2 parts. Next, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, the world's second largest ocean. The world's second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. It separates Europe and Africa, and from North and South America. Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is dividing North America and South America, and Europe and Africa. Okay, here is the Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. First largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, and the second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Next, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest and the warmest ocean in the world. It lays south of Asia and separates Australia from Africa. Pacific Ocean is Indian Ocean is near to our India. That's what it is called, our Indian Ocean. మన ఇండియాకి దగ్గరగా వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ ఇది హియర్ ఇస్ అవర్ ఇండియా. ఇట్ ఈస్ లొకేటెడ్ ఇన్ ఏషియా కాంటినెంట్. చూసారా పిక్చర్లో ఇండియా ఉంది. ఇండియన్ ఓషన్ ఈస్ ఎట్ ద సౌత్ పార్ట్, సౌత్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏషియా. ఏషియాకి సౌత్ సైడ్లో ఉంది. and it divides the Australia and Africa. It is dividing Australia and Africa. It is the third largest ocean in the world. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It is near to the India. That's what it is called, Indian Ocean. It is dividing Africa and Australia. Next, Southern means the Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean, the second smallest, lies at the South Pole. Much of this ocean freezes in a winter. Southern means the Antarctic Ocean, and it is near to the Antarctica. Here is Antarctica continent is there. It is frozen continent. I said no. It is a frozen continent. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ మంచు ఉంది, అక్కడ వాటర్ ఉండేవి కా ఎందుకు? ఇట్ ఈస్ ద కూలెస్ట్ కాంటినెంట్, చాలా కూల్గా ఉంటుంది. దిస్ సౌతర్న్ ఓషన్ ఆల్సో, సౌతర్న్ ఓషన్ ఆర్ అంటార్కిటికా ఓషన్, టూ నేమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సౌతర్న్ ఓషన్? బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సౌత్ సైడ్, సౌత్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి సౌతర్న్ ఓషన్ విన్నాము. మళ్ళీ అంటార్కిటికాకి క్లియర్గా ఉంది కాబట్టి అంటార్కిటికా ఓషన్. It is called by two names. This ocean is called by two names, Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean, because it is near to the Antarctica continent. Understand? It is also frozen continent, frozen ocean amma. It is also frozen. Frozen, second smallest ocean, means fourth largest ocean. It is the fourth largest ocean in the world, and it is near to the Antarctica continent. That's what it is called as Antarctica Ocean. It is also frozen ocean. Next, seas. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It lies in north part of Earth. During winter, this is almost covered with ice. Next, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Pacific is the largest ocean and Arctic is the smallest ocean. It is north part of our Earth. Arctic Ocean here. Here is Arctic Ocean. It is also frozen in winter season. It is also frozen in the winter season. బాగా చలి ఉంటుంది కదా, వాటర్ మొత్తం ఐస్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ? It is also frozen in ocean in the winter season. It is almost frozen. Southern Ocean is almost frozen water. Next, seas. Seas are generally part of the ocean, partially enclosed by land. They are smaller than oceans. There are many seas such as Arabian Sea, Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Amma, here oceans are the largest bodies with salt water. Oceans are the largest bodies with the salt water. Seas are the smallest water bodies. Smaller water bodies than the ocean. అంటే ఓషన్స్ చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి, కొంచెం చిన్నగా ఉండేటివి సీస్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఓషన్స్ ఆర్ కవర్డ్ విత్ ద కాంటినెంట్స్. Oceans are covered, oceans are divided with the continents. Seas are divided with the countries. Understand me? Oceans are the largest water bodies. They are divided with the continents. They are divided with the continents. Seas are smaller water bodies than the oceans. The ocean kante chinnaga untayi seas. And also they are also salt water bodies. Oceans and seas both are the salt water bodies. Adi kuda salt water body. And it is closed with the countries. Seas are closed with the countries. Examples are Mediterranean Sea, Salty Sea, Dead Sea, like that. So many seas are there on our earth. Chala seas ఉన్నాయి. Okay? Next. Throughout history, humans have been directly or indirectly influenced by the seas. Oceans serve as a source of food, valuable minerals and salts. They are served as a vast highway for accounts and provide a place for recreation. They also vital role. They play a vital role in the water cycle that brings us rain. Oceans. Oceans are very important. Oceans and seas are very important. They play a vital role in our human life. Vital means important role. Oceans and seas are very important to us because we get the valuable minerals like gold, pearls, jewels. We are getting them in the oceans and seas. We are getting the valuable minerals and salts from the ocean and seas. That's what oceans are, and the seas are very important in our human life. And oceans and seas are used for transport. We are getting valuable minerals and they are used as transport. Means to go to one continent to another continent. We are traveling on ocean. And not only that, it is a recreation to us. Some of the large hotels, restaurants are built on the oceans and seas. Like that, we are getting our recreation. Like that, oceans and seas are playing a important role in our human life. Okay? Bye. Today's class is completed. Bye.